Hey, having trouble connecting your custom domain to Card? Maybe your site isn't loading, showing errors, or your domain just won't connect. Don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix Card custom domain errors step by step. Start by checking your domain name for typos. Even a small mistake can stop it from working. Go to your domain provider and check your DNS settings. Your CNAME record should point to card.co. Make sure there are no conflicting A records or extra CNAME records. These can block your domain from connecting. If you're using a root domain like yourdomain.com, make sure you've set the correct A records provided by Card. After updating DNS, changes don't apply instantly. It can take a few minutes up to 24 hours. Make sure SSL is enabled in Card. Without it, your site may show security errors. Go back to Card and click Publish again to apply your domain settings, clear your browser cache, or open your site in another browser to make sure you're seeing the latest version. Some providers like GoDaddy or Namecheap may have extra settings. Make sure domain forwarding or parking is turned off. If your domain still isn't working, contact Card or your domain provider's support. Share your DNS settings. They can quickly find the issue.